HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to learn the alphabet. That's right. And we're going to draw it and paint it too. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, I love drawing. We'll start with the letter A, then B, then C, and D. What comes next? It's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? L, then M, N, O, P, yay, Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's next? That's right, it's W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now we know our ABCs. This time won't you paint with me? Red. A is going to be red, like an apple. B is going to be yellow, like a banana. C can be purple, like a purple carrot. Yes, you can get purple carrots. Green for D, like a dinosaur. E can be pink, like a pink elephant. What colour shall we do F? Blue, what a great choice. Blue for a blue frog. Yellow again for G. G is going to be a giraffe. Next is H and we're going through the green again. How about a green helicopter? And I can be for ice. Blue ice. Jelly. Strawberry flavoured because it's pink. Next we're going for K. Gold. Koala. What shall we do for the letter L? Blue. What a great choice. It could be a blue lizard. Ooh. M can be red for a red monkey. Well, why not? It's my monkey and I want it to be red. Purple for N because it's such a nice colour. Ooh, let's go for gold again for O. It's almost orange, so we say O for orange. Red penguin. Why not? Green for a queen, because it almost rhymes. A green queen, get it? Blue for rocket, because we're zooming into space. Yellow for sun. That's right, a yellow sun. Pink for telephone. Purple for umbrella. Now let's do yellow for a violin. And a window can be pink. Lovely. I'm going for the gold again for a xylophone, my favourite musical instrument. Green for a yo-yo. I like playing with yo-yos, it's so much fun. And last but not least, a red zebra. Well done! You drew and painted the whole alphabet, all 26 letters of it. Great job! Fantastic! Hey kids, how are you today? Let's draw a butterfly. I love butterflies, don't you? We do a circle for the head and a long oval shape for the body with some curvy lines. There, let's do the wings. They're kind of like heart shapes with one part bigger than the other part. So the top wing's going to be slightly larger than the bottom wing. And then a couple more at the bottom, one on each side. Little one. Brilliant, let's do the antennae. Curly whirly. Curly whirly. Some eyes. These are just little circles, nice and easy. And a curvy line for a smile. Now let's decorate. Some spots, one on each of the lower, smaller wings. Time to colour. We're going to do the butterfly's body in yellow using a nice bright colouring pen. You can always use paint or crayons or even pencils, whatever you prefer to use to colour in your butterfly. And if you feel like it, you could do each section of the butterfly's body in a different colour. There, let's do orange spots. Brilliant! Purple for the lower wings. I love that combination of orange and purple. The darkness of the purple really makes the brightness of the orange stand out. Lovely. Have you ever seen a real butterfly? Maybe in the garden or in the meadows? Aren't they just beautiful? Right, let's colour the wings. We're going for pretty in pink. Some nice long strokes here, colouring it in very quickly and easily. And then we just tidy up around the edges. It's got a nice thin tip, this pen, so that makes it easy to just stay in between the black lines. Same for the bottom wing. Do you know what baby butterflies are called? That's right, they are called caterpillars. Isn't it amazing how a caterpillar turns into this beautiful butterfly? They eat and eat and eat and eat, and then they form a chrysalis around them, like a happy home to live in and hibernate for quite some time, and then they burst through and come out as a gorgeous butterfly. And did you know when they come out, their wings are folded, and then they open them out. These beautiful, bright pink wings. Wow! Butterflies come in all different colours. There, let's do the face now. That's going to be yellow, just like the body, but a paler yellow. And the eyes. Now let's shade the border to make it nice and thick. And it just completes the final look. And it looks great. There! Some pupils. And we are done. Brilliant! Hi kids, look at this gorgeous rainbow heart. Do you fancy having a go at drawing and painting it? Oh, you do? We'll start with the baby one in the middle, and then we just do bigger ones around the outside, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And one more. There, ready to darken the border. We like a nice, bold, thick black colour because it really makes the colour stand out. Ready to paint? Start with red for the outside. You can use any colours you like, of course. Even different shades of the same colour would look fantastic. Perhaps you could start with the darkest on the outside and get lighter as you go into the middle. We're going to go for a lovely gold-orange colour next. There, just following the shape around, staying in between the black lines. Let's go for yellow now. You see how we're getting lighter? Maybe we should change the pattern now. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for green. Green and yellow, those lovely citrusy colours. Followed by blue. And last but not least, purple for our baby heart in the middle. There, it's perfect, don't you think? I just love it. What a gorgeous, vibrant, sparkly rainbow heart. Hey kids, would you like to learn how to draw flowers? It is super easy and you can do it all different ways. Look, let's show you. First of all, you draw your centre, which is just a little circle, and then some nice oval shapes to form your petals. And there you go. That was easy, wasn't it? Let's try a different one. This time we're going to do a little cut in the middle of each petal, and they're a bit wider than the last one. There. Now for this flower, we're going to make the petals look like heart shapes. Perfect. This one has long, thin petals, just like a daisy. And we're doing a second layer as well. These petals are shorter and wider with a lovely detail around the centre. So you can experiment with these different shaped flowers. Use your imagination and think how many different types you could draw. This one has more pointy leaves and 2 layers. Do you know how many different types of flowers have been found in the world so far? About 400,000! Can you believe that? All of them are different. So have fun with this, be creative and experiment with different sized and shaped petals. Okay, I think we're ready to paint. Ooh, let's start with this one. Purple for the centre. Some lovely yellow petals. I have to say, this is one of my favourite colour combinations. Purple and yellow. Absolutely gorgeous, don't you think? Maybe you could name your flowers. Make up your own names. Do you know what the 10 most popular flowers are? Let's tell you. We've got the rose. You all know roses, don't you? They come in all different colours, but most famous rose is a red rose, and we're going to paint this flower's petals red. Lovely. We'll mix it up with a different colour in between because that will look very interesting. After roses, the most popular flower is the tulip. They also come in all different colours and they're absolutely gorgeous. Then you've got the sunflower, of course. Have you ever tried to grow a sunflower from a seed? I recommend it. They're amazing and they're yellow just like these petals. Also very popular and a wonderful sign of the first beginnings of spring is the daffodil. I'm sure you've seen those around. They are gorgeous and they really cheer people up after a hard, cold winter. Then we've got the marigold. Again, they can come in slightly different shades. And here we're doing a lovely red one with a yellow centre. You can also do different shades of the same colour. It looks beautiful. Daisies, of course, are very popular. Have you ever tried to make a daisy chain, a necklace or a bracelet or even an anklet out of daisies, making a little hole in the end of the stem and then just joining them up together to form a band? It's so much fun. The orchid is one of the most beautiful flowers ever that we love to put them in our windows on display. Carnations are also very popular. Gerberas, which come in all different colours, just like this one. And jasmine. Jasmine has the most gorgeous smell. Let's go for yellow for the centre of this one, and some purple on the outside. So it's like a backwards version of our first flower, which was yellow petals and purple inside. Let's carefully paint around our detail. There! Lovely. Let's do this one yellow in the middle. We've got a big centre point in this one and some pink around that. Excellent. What colour do you think we should do our second layer of petals? Should we do it the same or a different colour? Yay, blue! What a great choice! Blue and pink go really well together, don't you think? That's looking lovely. Okay, let's do the next one. So we're going to go for gold in the middle. And green around the outside. Beautiful. It's like a little sun shining in the centre of a green field. Almost there. And we're done! Excellent! Last but not least, let's do our long-petalled flower. Green in the middle this time, and pink petals. This one does look a bit like a daisy, doesn't it? It's just a different colour. Imagine if we had pink daisies, wouldn't that be wonderful? Flowers are just amazing. And you can have loads of fun with this, designing your own, even making up your own names. There you go. Now let's see them close up. Oh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Let's see another. Oh, look at that. Those colours are just wonderful. Oh, I'm feeling like summer is here already with all these gorgeous flowers. Flowers really brighten up your day, don't you think? So if you haven't already done so, I recommend you get some seeds and plant them in your garden if you have a garden. And if you don't, it doesn't matter. You can just plant them in some lovely pots. Do be sure to keep them in the sunshine and make sure you water them daily as well, because flowers need sunshine and water to grow. You'll be so excited when you see those little green leaves sprouting up from the mud. Now, which one is your favourite? Oh, it's so difficult to decide. I just love them all. Well done. You did a fantastic job drawing and painting these gorgeous glitter flowers.